Welcome back to the channel. Let's dive right in. Make sure your USB flash drive is formatted to exfat and keep it plugged in. We will be copying some package files onto it next. After formatting, head to PKG Zone and download PS5 Explorer along with Lapis Avatar Changer app. I've included items flow as well. Though we won't be using it in this video, it's a handy tool, so I recommend downloading it too. If you already have this installed, feel free to skip this step. This homebrew app should be compatible with any jailbroken PS5. I tested it myself on PS5 Y2JB 1.2.1 running firmware 8.40. Now that we've got PS5 Explorer, the next step is to download Lapis Avatar Changer. Big thanks to Lapi for this tool. Once you've downloaded the required packages, copy the package files onto your USB flash drive formatted to exfat and drop them in. Once the transfer is finished, safely remove the flash drive and plug it into your PS5. Let's head over. Now head over to the PS5 and run the jailbreak using whichever method you prefer. As long as the console is jailbroken, this should work. Once your PS5 is jailbroken, open the Itahen toolbox, go to Package Installer, and install everything. Now that the essential apps are installed, you can power down the PS5 for the moment and switch back to your PC to continue with the next steps. Be sure to unplug the USB flash drive only after the PS5 has completely shut down. Avatar Maker 2.0 needs Directx 9.0C. This end-user runtimes pack covers it, so grab that one. Next, download Avatar Maker 2.0. You'll find all the resources linked in the description below. Open the folder containing the files. Start by extracting the Avatar Maker 2.0 RAR file. Then delete the RAR once extraction is complete. Next, run the Directx installer as administrator. Click Yes. And choose the location for the extracted files. I personally prefer placing them inside the Avatar Maker 2.0 folder. Then hit OK. Once it's done, you can delete the Directx installer. Next, open the Avatar Maker folder and launch the application. If this prompt appears, click More Info, then select Run Anyway. Otherwise, no avatar for you. Use a square image with a 1:1 ratio. The minimum size should be 500 by 500 pixels, but for the best results, aim for 1080 by 1080. You can choose one of Lapis extra avatars or use your own photo. If your image has a background and you'd like to remove, go to remove.bg. It's a free tool that quickly erases backgrounds. For this video, I used a shot of bygone. It's something really useful here in our country. After removing the background, download your image. Once you're ready, whether it has a background or not, go to this website. There, you can resize or adjust your image to fit neatly inside a square frame. Use the zoom feature to maximize the space. When you're satisfied, download the final version and make sure the file format is either JPEG or PNG. The downloaded image is located in the Downloads folder. Now open the Avatar Maker app. Use the Search Images feature and look up the image we edited earlier. Select it by clicking to highlight, then hit open. And the app will automatically convert it into the XAvatar file format. Simple as that. The app will automatically create a folder called Avatars, and all successfully converted avatars will be stored there. Or, if you have multiple edited images and you'd like to convert, you can handle them all in one go. Here's how. Launch the app and navigate to the folder containing all your images. To select them, press Ctrl-A to highlight everything at once, or use Shift with the arrow keys to highlight multiple images individually. Once you've finished selecting, click Open, and the app will process them all in one go. Once the conversion is complete, all images will be automatically saved to the Avatars folder. Prepare your USB flash drive, then drag and drop the XAvatars files onto it. If you prefer, you can copy the entire Avatars folder instead. Both methods will work the same way in PS5 Explorer. With the files copied, safely eject the USB flash drive. You're now set to transfer everything onto the PS5. Make sure the USB flash drive is connected. It doesn't matter whether you plug it in before or after powering on the PS5. When the main dashboard loads, let it sit idle for about 10 seconds to ensure the system is fully ready. After that, continue with the jailbreak process. In this case, I'm using the Y2JB1 2.1 method. After the successful jailbreak, open the PS5 Explorer, then choose Root Access. Scroll down and highlight Data, press X to select it, then press Triangle, and choose New Folder. Name the folder Avatars in all capital letters. Then press R2 when you're done. Press left on the D-pad to get back to the MNT USB 0 folder. Press R1 on each XAvatar file to highlight it. After highlighting them all, press Triangle. Then choose Copy. Then press R3, highlight data and open it. Open Avatars folder, press Triangle, then choose Paste. Once finished, you can go ahead and close the app. Now, open Avatar Changer and begin selecting your avatar. Select your chosen avatar by pressing X, then hold L2 and press X again to apply it. Once done, close the app so we can double check the avatar. After closing the app, the avatar may not stay on your user profile. To fix this, you have two options. The first is to power off or restart the PS5. It's now fixed. The avatar stays on your profile. Now let's pick another avatar so I can show you the second and easiest fix without restarting the PS5. It's simple. Select the avatar you like, hold L2 and press X, then exit the app. After closing the app, go directly to your user profile icon and open it. Simply log out, then log back in. Easy as that. Now I'll demonstrate how to install a large collection of avatars without pressing R1 to highlight each file individually. This time, we'll simply copy the entire avatars folder containing all your X-avatars files. After copying the avatars folder to your USB flash drive formatted to exfat, safely eject the drive and head back to the PS5. After connecting the flash drive, launch PS5 Explorer and select root access. Open the MNT folder, press X, then highlight USB 0 and press X. Highlight the avatars folder and press triangle. Select copy, press R3, highlight and press X on data. Once inside, press triangle again and select paste. Choose all. This will overwrite identical files to avoid duplicates while updating and adding the avatars you've collected into the system. Now let's return to the Avatar Changer app.
You got it.
Follow the same steps. Choose your avatar, apply it by holding L2 and pressing X, then close the app, go to your user profile icon, log out, and log back in. This method was tested on a PS5 running firmware 8.40. Results may vary on other versions. So these are my personalized avatars, and I'll be keeping them strictly for personal use. I cannot share them for obvious reasons. Personal avatars only, not shared or distributed. I'm not really into anime avatars, so I searched for options that would make the choice tougher. Alongside those, I added some of my own camera shots, like my dog, the bygone, and my channel logo. Now that you've seen this tutorial, it's time to start creating your own avatars. Snap some shots of whatever inspires you and give your PS5 a unique, personalized look. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments. I'll be checking in and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next upload. Stay tuned because more tips and tricks are coming your way. Peace and love!